Hi,
George.
it's Margaret. How you doing? I have
What did I do? Just hold him if he's...
No, he just he moved back on his...
Can we increase him to 22
okay.
on the formula from 20? Because
Okay.
he lost weight last
Hold his chin tightly in your hand. Don't let him run away from you.
All right, so we'll just change it to 22, and you'll write the order later. That's fine. And on the breast milk, should we have one pack?
Yeah, that's good.
It's not a lot of breast milk.
Well, that was a good burp.
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, they said to bump him up to the 22 count.
Okay.
But I'm going to do it next feed because I don't want him to lose the rhythm here.
You gotta move.
Go ahead and try to burp
We got
him.
some good burps.
You did?
Yeah.
And he took...
Okay, now he's hiccuping.
He took 5 cc's. I'm going to try the blue nipple on him. It's a little faster because I just want to see how he does with it.
Okay.
I just think
I'm
he's
totally
working awfully
stressed
hard
out.
to get 5 cc's.
I totally stressed you out. I'm sorry. Hey, it's okay.
She's a crossfire. I'll see you when we need
Fine, that's fine.